I'm going to now run through the Aspire simulation program to demonstrate how we're going to cut out our flag with tiles. The thing to remember is I'm going to draw the tiles in their original position so that we can see the entire project being cut. But in reality, you have to keep shifting the board around to get all the pieces. So it doesn't record the tile manager, which I have up. I have it selected for tile 1. I have my vectors already generated. And what we're going to do is we select tile 1, and we're going to turn on the vectors we're going to cut. And you got to remember, we got to turn all the vectors we want to cut for each tile section. So we're looking at the 16 by 16 inch tile 1. Now I'm just going to run the simulation on the visible tile paths. And there we go. We have our vectors cut out with the V-carves, and we have our profiles cut on the edge of this section. So now we're going to move to tile 2 and repeat the process. Turn on the vectors, simulate the cut, and we now have tile sections 1 and 2 cut, and they line up perfectly as we would hope. So just repeating the process for tile 3 and 4. Exactly the same procedure. You would just run your vectors for tile 3 and 4, shifting your workpiece as required. And finally, tile 4. Now, admittedly, a bigger machine makes life easier. You don't have to go through all this process, but even a bigger machine, you're going to run into some cases where you'd like to cut a bigger piece than your machine can handle. All right, so I've cut out the entire flag. I'm going to knock off the sections I don't want. And there we go. We have our cutout flag, exactly like we designed it.